Have you ever thought about how some phrases that seem harmless can actually be highly toxic? Those phrases that we use out of habit, thinking we're offering encouragement or help, but that end up doing the opposite, causing pain, devaluation, and misunderstanding. This type of toxic positivity perpetuates stereotypes and discrimination without us even realizing it. But the good news is, we have the power to change that. Let's explore 7 toxic phrases that we all need to stop using, and how to replace them with communication that truly fosters empathy and understanding. 1. You always, or you never. These sweeping generalizations may seem innocent, but they actually box people in, leaving no room for nuance. Instead of saying, "You always forget to lock the door," try being more specific. "I noticed you forgot to lock the door today." This approach avoids blanket accusations and opens the door for meaningful dialogue. 2. I can't believe you're upset about that. This phrase dismisses the other person's feelings as if they're overreacting. But everyone has different sensitivities, and what seems small to you might be significant to someone else. Instead of brushing off their emotions, try showing empathy. "I can see this bothered you. Let's talk about it." Validating someone's feelings strengthens relationships. 3. Your English is so good for someone from country. While this might seem like a compliment, it actually reinforces limiting stereotypes. Instead of attaching the praise to someone's origin, simply focus on their skill. "Your English is fantastic, and I really admire how you express yourself." This approach celebrates achievements without placing people in boxes. And 4. It's all in your head. Telling someone this when they open up about their struggles can be incredibly hurtful. It invalidates their experience and suggests their pain isn't real. Instead, try saying, "I understand your feelings are real, and I'm here to support you." This small shift can create a space where people feel heard and supported. 5. You're too sensitive. Labeling someone as too sensitive can make them feel like their emotions are wrong or exaggerated. Instead of diminishing their feelings, acknowledge that sensitivity is a natural part of being human. "I appreciate your vulnerability and openness. Your feelings matter." 6. I'm fine when you're clearly not. Many of us use this phrase to hide how we really feel, but it shuts down meaningful communication. Instead of brushing off the conversation, try being honest. "I'm upset right now, but I need some time before I can talk about it." This creates a healthier, more open dialogue. 7. It'll pass. Though well-meaning, this phrase often minimizes someone's pain. Not all struggles fade away quickly, and some scars stay with us for life. Instead of rushing to dismiss their feelings, offer real support. "I know this is tough. How can I help you right now?" This validates their experience and shows you're there for them. These small shifts in how we communicate can transform our relationships, fostering empathy and respect. By eliminating toxic phrases and replacing them with more compassionate communication, we contribute to creating an environment where everyone feels welcomed and valued. Now we want to hear from you. What toxic phrases have you heard and would love to see disappear? Share in the comments, and let's continue this conversation to build a more inclusive world.